Dexter. Oh, we're at Trout Lake. We're meeting Tanya.
How old?
Tanya and
He's
Brenna.
4 years old? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. He's high energy. Yeah. Yeah.
On Dexter.
Yeah, if we throw something at
Dexter, he's like a little black speck in the water. Come on, Dex. 5K an hour. Oh, look at Dexter. Bring the ball to Charlena, Dex. Oh, he's chasing a bird. Oh, no. Come on, Dex. He loves the water. Loves the water. Look at him. He just loves it. You love the water, don't you, Dex? Dexter, you love the water. Come on, Dex. Come on, Dexter. Come on. Come on, Dexter. Oh. Oh.
Come here.
He likes it. There, Dex. Catch it, Dex.
Get the ball. What are you talking about? It's right here. Go get it. Go get it.
No, the ball's right here, Char.
No, there's an orange one out there.
Oh. Oh, I see.
Go get it. Yeah.
Two dogs.
No, I think he's got a sight line on it. There he goes. Go, Phoenix, go! Yeah, good boy! The ducks are sitting there going, really? Good job, Phoenix!
I think Tanya. No, that's not Tanya.
And then there's the duck. It's gonna get dropped again.
Oh, there's Dex.
Oh, you gotta whip it! And
Oh, it is you! Hi, Tanya. She brought the whippet for Dexter. I thought it was you. I wasn't sure. I'm videotaping.
Maybe we should pick one up. Oh, there's some more dogs.
Oh, that's really nice to see that you're both of you together. Nice
Dex,
to see
what's
you,
this?
Tanya.
What's this?
Look how Dexter loves Tanya.
Tell him to get down. Oh, up.
Down, off.
Sit. Stay up.
Oh my God.
Hey. No.
Come on, be good, Dexter, please.
Sit.
There. See, he's being good.
Ready?
Oh, he's doing good. He loves it here. He loves it. It's a very nice park.